In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix iMessage on your iPhone or iPad. If you've been experiencing issues with iMessage, don't worry, you're not alone. And luckily, it's usually a quick fix. Let's dive in and get your iMessage back up and running smoothly. First things first, you'll want to check your network connection. It's essential to ensure that you are connected to Wi-Fi or that your mobile data is enabled. An unstable or weak connection can often be the root cause of iMessage not working properly. So if you're at home, try to connect to your Wi-Fi, and if you're on the go, double check that your mobile data is turned on. Next, let's restart iMessage itself. Sometimes just giving iMessage a quick restart can resolve any temporary glitches. Navigate to settings, then scroll to apps and tap on messages. Here's the key part: switch iMessage off and then back on, give it a few moments to re-enable and check to see if your messages begin to send. If that didn't do the trick, it might be time to restart your iPhone. Restarting can often flush out any minor software issues that might be affecting iMessage. A simple power off and power back on could be the magic fix you need. Another thing to look at is your date and time settings. Head over to settings, from there tap general and select date and time. Make sure the set automatically option is toggled on. Incorrect date or time settings can cause connection issues not just with iMessage but other apps as well. Still no luck? Let's try resetting your network settings. This is especially useful if you suspect that your iMessage issues are related to network connectivity. Go to settings, then general, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, and hit reset. From the list, select reset network settings. Keep in mind that this step will erase all saved Wi-Fi networks and passwords, so have those handy to reconnect later. This reset can often clear out any underlying issues that might be interfering with your network communication. Finally, always check for iOS updates, because an update might contain patches or fixes that can correct the iMessage issues you're experiencing. Go to settings, then general, and choose software update. If an update is available, tap to install it. Keeping your device's software up to date is crucial for performance, security, and compatibility with your favorite apps. That wraps up today's guide on how to fix iMessage on your iPhone or iPad. Hopefully, one of these solutions worked for you and your messages are being sent without further trouble. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check back for more helpful tech tips.